There's two different deadlines. The first deadline is for new LLCs. So if you formed an LLC after January 1st, 2024, then you have 30 days to file your BOI report, okay? In other words, the new rule should be anybody who is filing an LLC from now on should make it a part of the process of forming your LLC to go ahead and just file a BOI report, okay? I want you to put that on your checklist. For those of us who had existing LLCs that existed prior to this law taking effect on January 1st, 2024, we have a much longer deadline, okay? So new LLCs, 30 days. Older LLCs that existed before 2024, we've got a year, okay? So we have until December 31st to file our BOI report. All right. So if you already had an LLC before 2024, you're not late yet. You just go ahead and do it now. Okay. Everybody else, do it immediately. All right. So this is not an annual filing. This is a one-time report, or it's a report that needs to be updated or refiled anytime you have a change in the beneficial ownership information.